Alright guys, so we're working on this 2019 Kia Optima S. This is not going to be an installation video because it's just more of a demo. We got this customer that needs to go soon. So pretty much all we're going to do here today is we're going to be comparing our lights to the off-brands or aftermarket lights that are in the market. This one particular, we don't know what the name is, but we're going to be using our LS9005s, the Plus version. So these are our new ones, and show you how they look. Okay, so we're going to turn off the lights real quick and show you a quick comparison. You can see on the driver's side we've already installed our LS9005 Plus, and on the passenger side that's the aftermarket bulb we're comparing against. And you can see already that our light on the driver's side is more intense than the passenger side. As you can see now, we're showing you the pattern. You can see that on the driver's side, so one closer to the door, is actually more intense compared to the passenger side, where it's starting to fade out and it's giving you like a bluish hue on the side. This is just to show how much of a difference our bulbs are. Alright, so we're going to do a quick test right now. I'm going to get a little blindfold here, not really a blindfold, but a microfiber cloth. And I'm going to cover one of the headlights just so we can separate the lights and show you how they look. So the first one we're going to be doing is the no-name after-brand or aftermarket bulb. And as you can see, it's pretty bright, but it's kind of fading out already, even though we're about a distance of 10 feet from the wall. And now next, we're going to be doing our LASFIT LS Plus 9005s. And as you can see, it's way more brighter and different. And one more time, this is the aftermarket light, and this is the LS Plus 9005. So now we're going to finish doing both the headlights and show you how they look when they're both on together with the new LS Plus 9005s. And as you can see, guys, it's a way different compared to the aftermarket light that we had in there before in the passenger side. This customer was saying that he works in the desert area and these aftermarket lights were not cutting it for him. So he stumbled upon our website, came in, we got them swapped out, and check it out. World of a difference. So there you have it, guys. This is the completed result. And as you can see, both the LS Plus 9005s are in here. This is actually a very simple vehicle to work with. Just take your time with it and you get it done. I would say it wouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to get both sides done. And today we only did the low beams, and possibly next time when we get the chance we might get to do the high beams as well. But again, guys, these are the LS Plus 9005s, and we'll catch you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching.